Now, to learn more on volunteerism from Nizwa University is Dr. Salem bin Saeed Touby, Associate Professor and Dean of the College of Pharmacy and Nursing, University of Nizwa. Dr. Salem, good evening and thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Mr. Abdullah, and on behalf of the Chancellor, Vice Chancellors, academic and administrative staff, and students of University of Nizwa, we appreciate Oman TV shedding light into the community engagement and service provided by the university. The mission of University of Nizwa calls for equipping students with values, knowledge, and life skills that enrich the students and enable them to contribute effectively to the advancement of society. Actually, in early September 2019, the university passed a resolution for the Student Development Program, cultivating more than 14 years of various initiatives in a well-structured approach. One of the pillars of the Student Development Program is volunteer work, and hours spent in volunteer work are converted to units that will appear in the Student Development Program transcript, which is mirroring the academic transcript. The university also developed a university elective course on volunteer work to help students understand further the notion of volunteering. To ensure that the University of Nizwa meets its mission, the Student Development Program policy states that all students are required to have 5 credit units in the Student Development Program for them to graduate.
All right, Dr. Salem, how many volunteers and where are they providing services?
There are 29 nursing students of the University of Nizwa assisting the Directorate General of Health Services in Muscat in their effort to curb the increasing cases of COVID-19 in the Sultanate. The students were deployed in various areas like the surveillance centers in Higher College of Technology and Darse, the quarantine facilities in Oman National Engineering and Investment Company and Bosha, and the testing centers in Ghala.
Can you tell us about exactly the contribution of these volunteers?
Part of the activities of the students deployed in the surveillance centers include assisting in contact tracing of positive cases, history taking, and counseling. Those assigned in quarantine facilities assist in admission and discharge and vital sign monitoring, while those assigned in the testing centers assist in history taking, vital sign monitoring, and nose and throat swabbing.
Thank you for highlighting to us on the volunteerism actually at Nizwa University. Now, do you have any other comments to this particular students and others at the same time?
Actually, the university would like to thank the Ministry of Health, Directorate General of Nursing Affairs, and the Directorate General of Health Services in Muscat for providing the chance for our students to volunteer. Also, we would like to thank all the volunteering students for the noble work they are currently doing. In addition, our gratitude to Petroleum Development of Oman for providing board for our volunteering students, as well as Omantel for providing data packages to support the summer online learning of the students while they are volunteering. Finally, once again, we thank Oman TV for their coverage of this initiative.
Dr. Salem, once again, thank you very much for your time and the good work your students are carrying out. Wishing you all the best. That was Dr. Salem bin Saeed Touby, Associate Professor and Dean of the College of Pharmacy and Nursing, University of Nizwa.